Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. We are doing part 7 for Patreon September 2024 STL files for D&D Warhammer Proxy and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below, and also all the links I'll be looking at will be down below as well. And if you haven't looked at some of the Patreons that I should look at, please leave it down in the comments as well. So you have dark, digital dark pinup. There's also lewd and stuff, and this is where I print the giant Karlach from as well. And we have the figures for it. I think this month we're getting, try to find not so lewd, but we're getting I think Jessica Rabbit and stuff. Jessica Rabbit and the Tech Priest for this month. But I am going to find good ones. Here we go, Jessica Rabbit. And we're going to get the Tech Priest as well. So it'll be this month's figure, if you do like it. Beast Ball Miniatures, I don't know if they have anything out anymore because they've been out in the loop for a long time. So I'm just going to remove that. Z Sculptors, they've been out since 4 years. Dark Galaxy, I think they're out as well. Yep, they've been out. They've been out. Chinchilla STL file, they've been out since last year. RA3D STL prints, I think they've been out as well. No, June 18th, yeah. Surreal Factory, there's a lot I just gotta get rid of. Okay, August 10th, and they do a lot of, looks like creepy looking minis for, I think for D&D and stuff. Imps. But I don't know what they have for September. So this is the August release, but we haven't gotten a September release for it, but I'll put a link down for you guys. This is the type of art you're looking at. Sark's Foundry. No, that's a couple years ago. Greg Cortos, I don't think he does anything anymore. Last time was of last year. Dragon Collectors is another figure for DC and Marvel. Let's see here. September will be Ultraman. So another variation of Superman. Johnny Quick. For this one for the figure. Skylar 3D Studios is another figure one as well. Well, they've been gone for a long time. Wade Studio, another figure as well. I remember they did pretty good. So this would be this month's pin-up figure. The Knights for it. Mojora's Miniatures. I don't know if they have anything. August 31st. That's actually good. September release. Let's see here. Looks like one of those Oni mask people with guns. So I think you use it actually as epoxy for one of your old world, if you wanted to. So they're muskets. So that's actually good. We have a shaman or a priestess with it as well. Yep, he's not doing anything anymore as much. This is figures. Stefano V Sculpt. Getting, I think Lucy was last month. I don't know we're getting anything for this month for it, but I think we'll release it. They do a lot of movie stuff and cartoon anime figures, realistic, like Will Sultan. I think he's the one that only does gnomes. So yeah, so it's goblins, but uh, it's weird because goblins, they're or old story and goblins are hairy, and there's their variation of goblins, stuff like that. But he does like a lot of gnomes, like old school style. But yeah, so goblins looks like it's gonna be for next month for this one. If you like hairy goblins, Kilton, another figure, movie and stuff for a September release. Looks like we got Alice and stuff for it. And the other one I can't really show. There's that one as well. Ooh, download link. Bonus available. No, I gotta pay for it. I don't want to pay for it. Alex Konev looks like a Warhammer proxy. That's gone. Tiger Skull. Looks like D&D miniatures. They're gone. Darkfire Design. Let's see here. I think they're gone. They do Star Wars. So we got the Outlaw ones that they releasing out for this month. I heard that game was a flop, but I don't know. I don't really play much Star Wars game. Sun Axe. There's not really much to see there. Star Wars. This one from Rick and Berserk. They do a lot of Star Wars figure. I don't know if they have anything else for September. I know August was Ray and Ben Skywalker, but they'll release theirs towards the end of the month. What their Septembers are, they do pretty good figures as well. Prey STL collection. Oh, got Hellboy coming up. They're making Hellboy, and looks like Predator too. Diorama for it. Evan Rage Studio, another Star Wars. Wrapping up August. I think this will be September. One Guri looks kind of hot, but we have all of these is coming out for. I think they do these for the Star Wars game. Koyoshinoko miniatures. This is also good for D&D. They also have some proxies for you guys for Warhammer. It's it's pick and choose basically. This is August. Where is this? Is September. That's coming out. It loads of motherfuckers. Load. But why is it not loading? Good. So we got Jen, looks like it. I think some samurais as well. Well, I'm gonna leave a link down. Oh, here we go. August. Well, they'll I'll leave a link down for you guys to look at it. Monsters Encounters. September release. Wow, this is not looking too good. I think I should wait for all this stuff to load. I don't know what happened with that one. I'm just gonna put a link down for you guys. Something wrong with the Patreon with it, but we're gonna keep moving on. Bulkmancer Sculpt, another figure as well. This is gonna be the current. This is their past, and this is now. We'll be getting. This will be October. One that my wife is waiting for. But yeah, I don't know why it's not loading. I might have to restart my computer, and I don't really want to do that. Maybe. But I think we can see what's going on with this. We got 2B, we got Panther from Persona 5, the Lich King, and I forgot the girl name from Demon Slayer. But you get the pass, you get a bonus, reward, and you get a promo for it. A lot of times you don't really get the promo. There you go, nice and big. So yeah, that's what we're gonna get for this one. Next one is Eons of Battle. I don't know. I think September is some kind of a cottage. It's for terrain for Warhammer or Old Worlds, but that's actually pretty cool. I think I might get this for this one. I usually use a hit or miss with their terrains because I don't have Space Hulk stuff. They'd have the terrain for that. OXO 3D figures. This is another figure one that I'm actually really looking forward to, like this one, Sisters of Battles. I've been really getting into Sisters of Battles for it. We already got Morgana. We're trying to find the for September. Galay Deadpool, Sisters of Battle. It looks like a Chaos version of Sisters of Battle. I think Saber, I believe. Forgot her, and Catwoman. I think this will be the loyalty reward. This is going to be a September release. Slave Kitten Mari. and Gloria and Serp hold for it. But yeah, I am so looking forward to that 3D print realm. Uh, Vamp Girl, if you're interested. Very, very hot, sexy, and loose for pinups. Cyberforge Miniature, another good one for proxies, especially this left side is what you really want. You got the Cyberpunk style if you guys play Cyberpunk games. You'll probably use these guys as for Necromunda as well. So looks like we got Sisters of Battle for your needs. I pretty much don't have to buy the actual box set. I can actually print a crap load of Sisters of Battles and stuff. So we got the Sledge Workers. Yeah, it's pretty good. I could just make proxies of them. And I just gotta find someone to play the damn game with as well. That's one thing it's gonna be hard to find. And you got your tanks. You always love tanks. And your terrains as well. Anime Girl STL, Last of Darkness. I think this one is Abigail from Grand Fate Older. That'll be for this coming month. Clay Beast Creation. This is another good, what you call it, proxy for your Warhammer. I think this is ogres. So if you want to get some ogres in, go and get it for your proxy for it. I think this is undead as well. That's actually pretty good. A lot of Warhammer ogres looks pretty good, especially with the pirate hat and stuff. I think that was pretty cool looking. We got Flesh of Steel for Flesh of God. Is coming up. We got Heroes and NPC. That's coming up as well. We got the heroes, the bard, the cleric, the wizard, so forth. The medium enemies. That's what? A raider with a gun. An orc with a gun. Steel predators. I think there's like more for like those Iron Rust game from Pathfinder. Might be very useful for it. But yeah, this one was used to be the 3.5 one. This guy's really cool looking. It is a grave collector, cadaver collector, biometric spider, and the celestial construct. So yeah, the huge enemies, clockwork dragon, and your diorama piece, and your bust, and your throwback. That looks really cool. I think this will be the last one, Black Remnant. I don't think they're gone. I know they're post. I think this will be the last one. Arcane Minis changed. They combine with some other people. They call it Sordain Publishing now. So that's the Kickstarter. September. So this is September. So we're getting dinosaurs and Yantees. Looks like it. So we got some Yantees. So those are Yanti, and we got some Velociraptors and some Eridosus Spinosaurus, and I can't pronounce that for crap. Crystal Therosaurus. So there's a lot of dinosaurs. Looks like it for this one. One thing is what's the ship? Because usually they have a ship that goes with it. I think this would be our luxury yacht. I think that would be our ship for Spelljammer. They do a lot of cool Spelljammer stuff as well. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.